Double Solitaire is a fun two-player variation of a single-player solitaire, where players try to be the first one to play all of their cards on their foundation piles. To play, each player starts with their own 52-card deck and deals out 7 columns in front of them. The first column on the left has 1 card, the second column has 2, the third has 3, and so on. The top exposed card on each column is flipped face up. The rest of the cards in each player's deck go face down beside them to form their draw pile. The player with the lowest card in their first column starts. On a player's turn, they can move face-up cards onto other face-up cards in their columns, as long as the card they're moving is 1 rank lower and the opposite color of the card it's being played on. For example, a player could move a 3 of diamonds onto a 4 of clubs. If moving a face-up card exposes a face-down card, the face-down card is flipped face-up. Players can also move face-up cards onto one of their own 4 foundation piles in the center of the table. Each foundation pile must start with an ace. Then any cards played on that pile must ascend in order and be in the same suit as the ace. Once a king is played on the foundation pile, that pile is complete. Players can also move face-up cards from their discard piles onto their columns or foundation piles. Once a player can't make any more moves, they flip the top card in their draw pile and place it face up in their discard pile. Then the other player takes their turn. Play continues until one player manages to complete all of their foundation piles. Whoever completes them first wins the game.